Nice move this past week in here for Lowe's. Really a nice 2 weeks in here, back to back. Strong moves, decent volume the past 2 weeks in here. RSI is still not technically overbought, but it's creeping up here. You can see that we kind of rushed up here to the 66s. So going forward, what are we looking at in here? Well, we're sitting at 277.55. To the upside in here, we are going to be looking at that 278 area for our first resistance. Above there, we're looking at 281.64. To the downside in here, 269 is going to be our first level. And then this previous resistance for us of this overall structure is now going to be our next support, and that's going to be sitting at 265. So you can see overall, just a nice, beautiful breakout in here, confirmed on some volume as well. So decent move for Lowe's in here the past 2 weeks. Probably expect some consolidation in here, a little channel trading between the 270 and that 277 area probably this week, but we could, you never know what could happen, right? You could get some more decent volume in here and then just kind of keep on climbing out. So let's see what happens overall in here. We don't have earnings coming up for Lowe's until the end of February. So we're more focused on tech earnings coming up next week. So retail is definitely going to take a back seat here for just a few weeks or so. But still decent IV in here, decent expected moves, $7, $9, all the way up to February, right around a $15 expected move is what everybody's pricing in. So let's see what happens here in Lowe's on this shortened week. Again, 278 is going to be our number that we're looking at. Above there, we are going to be looking at 281. To the downside in here, 270. Then we're looking at this previous resistance, which is now we're going to be our new support at 265. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.